Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Names we give children and their bearings to consciousness. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., the 18th of September 2019. At the third-dimensional, 3D, frequency, the reality we know is subject to separation and forgetfulness or unknowing who we really are. This is the truth until we get to which can happen after a lifetime/s, or to some lucky ones born as indigo children are easily awakened through spiritual touch at our now timelines. Names, however, play a lot in the development of minds of children. A person will name his son Orson, son of Orlando, or Taylorson, son of a tailor with name misprinted, or a name carried by callings of neighbor like Steelson, who favors steel. Names make a lot of imprint in the minds of humans, and children ask their parents how they got their names. We are not different to wit examples. Cecile is another name so unique the Westerners take a hard time pronouncing it, like Che, Chi, Killer in some cases, as she lives in USA. This name symbolizes talent in music, or Saint Cecilia. But the name is one of the great male moguls in movie production, Cecil B. DeMille's, producer of the Ten Commandments, that made spiritual imprint on humanity. Where I got my daughter's name, it did made an imprint on moviegoers when Moses parted the seas for the Israelites' escape from the Egyptians and stopped the pursuing soldiers. I pray that she produces ideas that will change the spiritual aspirations of humanity, preparing us to the shift, and join the collective consciousness of humanity. Angel is a common name taken from archangels or simply angels, described by books and our ancestors as the prime protector of humans. We propagated the name given to us by our parents in living reality, and we hope it will be a name of future true individuals, living protectors of people, and a continuing presence of a spiritual bond with someone with us every moment of our lives. We hope they free themselves from ego that could regress spiritual development. They will never get the notion of knowing everything as people try to define archangels, the good ones. I have them with me every moment for 3 months, when I was exposed to near-death situation, and angels of different forms come to my rescue to recovery. They assist, understand, and love us so much they are always at our sides and whisper goodness every trial we have on this earth. Derek is a name that symbolizes strength that will carry the name of the family for the next generation. By definition, it is the pillar, or the structural steel bar of an oil rig, or as the dictionary explains the name, framework over an oil well or similar boring that holds the drilling machinery, a kind of crane with a movable pivoted arm, for moving or lifting heavy weights on a ship. We all pray that the name will be carried on to symbolize strength of humanity for future generations, as it is a very unique name. Names of saints have a big imprint, like Saint Francis, Saint John, Saint Teresa of Calcutta, or Saint Anthony, as their lives are so powerful, forever remembered. But you need not be a saint, simply live a joyful and positive life. What we are saying is, at our third frequency reality, some names will have major significance, as awareness to awakening will happen as we act, feel and move to do what we do on a daily basis, small positive things of pure love, forgiveness, and acceptance of who we are, human sent, and volunteered to raise the consciousness of the planet and humanity to the 5th vibrational frequency. You need not do magical things like parting the seas, or the oceans. Be yourself, do small positive beautiful things in your sojourn on Earth, and you will be part of the shift to higher frequency. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., the 16th of September 2019. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, share teachings at universities, boards and associations. Link at aornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.